What are anti-inflammatories? Anti-inflammatory herbs are plants that help reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or infection, but when it becomes chronic, it can contribute to serious health issues like arthritis, heart disease, diabetes, and various autoimmune disorders. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not meant to diagnose, treat, or cure any ailment, illness, or disease. How do anti-inflammatories work? Anti-inflammatory herbs work by interacting with the body's immune and cellular pathways to minimize inflammation. They often contain compounds like flavonoids, tannins, terpenes, and saponins, which help reduce swelling and pain, calm the immune response, promote healing of tissues and cells. Why are anti-inflammatory herbs important? Inflammation, when chronic or excessive, can have a detrimental impact on nearly every system of the body. Reducing inflammation helps alleviate pain and swelling, improve digestive health, support cardiovascular health, manage autoimmune conditions, enhance overall wellness. Top 20 anti-inflammatory herbs and their uses. Here's a deep dive into some of the most popular and effective anti-inflammatory herbs. Turmeric, Curcuma longa. Primary compounds, curcumin. Uses: joint pain, digestive issues, liver support. Methods: infusions, tinctures, capsules, salves. Ginger, Zingiber officinale. Primary compounds, gingerol. Uses: arthritis, muscle pain, nausea. Methods: infusions, syrups, compresses, capsules. Boswellia, Boswellia serrata. Primary compounds, boswellic acids. Uses: arthritis, asthma, intestinal inflammation. Methods: capsules, tinctures, salves. Willow bark, Salix spp. Primary compounds, salicin. Uses: pain relief, headaches, back pain. Methods: decoctions, tinctures, teas. Chamomile, Matricaria chamomilla. Primary compounds, chamazulane, bisabolol. Uses: digestive inflammation, skin irritation, anxiety. Methods: teas, infusions, compresses, salves. Devil's claw, Harpagophytum procumbens. Primary compounds, harpagoside. Uses: joint pain, back pain, muscle aches. Methods: capsules, tinctures, teas, licorice root, Glycyrrhiza glabra. Primary compounds, glycyrrhizin. Uses: gut inflammation, respiratory issues. Methods: infusions, decoctions, syrups, calendula, Calendula officinalis. Primary compounds, flavonoids, triterpenes. Uses: skin inflammation, wound healing. Methods: infusions, salves, compresses, tinctures. Peppermint, Mentha piperita. Primary compounds, menthol. Uses: digestive inflammation, headaches. Methods: teas, infusions, essential oil, diluted for topical use. Rosemary, Rosmarinus officinalis. Primary compounds, rosmarinic acid, carnosol. Uses: muscle pain, headaches, skin inflammation. Methods: infusions, salves, tinctures, essential oil, diluted. Yarrow, Achillea millefolium. Primary compounds, azulene, tannins. Uses: wound healing, menstrual cramps. Methods: teas, tinctures, compresses, salves. Stinging nettle, Urtica dioica. Primary compounds, flavonoids, minerals. Joint pain, allergies. Methods: teas, infusions, tinctures. Cinnamon, Cinnamomum spp. Primary compounds: cinnamaldehyde, eugenol. Uses: blood sugar regulation, digestive inflammation. Methods: teas, decoctions, tinctures. Thyme, Thymus vulgaris. Primary compounds: thymal uses, respiratory inflammation, sore throat. Methods: teas, infusions, tinctures, essential oil, diluted. Elderberry, Sambucus nigra. Primary compounds: flavonoids, anthocyanins. Uses: immune support, respiratory inflammation. Methods: syrups, teas, tinctures. Holy basil, Ocimum sanctum. Primary compounds: eugenol, rosmarinic acid. Uses: stress-induced inflammation, respiratory support. Methods: teas, tinctures, infusions. Dandelion, Taraxacum officinale. Primary compounds: terpenes, flavonoids. Uses: liver health, joint pain. Methods: teas, tinctures, salads, leaves. Sage, Salvia officinalis. Primary compounds: rosmarinic acid, cineolol. Uses: mouth, throat inflammation, digestive support. Methods: teas, infusions, gargles. Oregano, Oreganum vulgar. Primary compounds: carvacrol, thymal uses, respiratory inflammation, immune support. Methods: teas, infusions, essential oil, diluted. Ashwagandha, Withania somnifera. Primary compounds: withanolides. Uses: stress-induced inflammation, muscle recovery. Methods: capsules, tinctures, teas. Methods of treatment with anti-inflammatory herbs. Infusions and teas. Great for internal inflammation, digestive issues, and general wellness. Tinctures, useful for concentrated doses of anti-inflammatory compounds. Salves and compresses, effective for topical inflammation, wounds, and muscle pain. Syrups, ideal for respiratory inflammation and soothing sore throats. Capsules, convenient for consistent dosing, particularly with strong herbs like turmeric and ginger. Anti-inflammatory herbs are crucial tools for managing pain, reducing inflammation, and promoting overall wellness. For a broader understanding of herbal actions, their names and definitions, be sure to check out the video on the channel, linked in the description. This resource provides detailed explanations of herbal categories, helping you make informed choices for natural health.